Hi folks, welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. The purpose of this video is just give another example of how to use what are generally called U substitutions to simplify an integral down. So what we're going to work here is integral minus 1 to 0 of x to the third over square root x to the fourth plus 9 dx. And the thing to notice about this is that, all right, here we have this x to the fourth, and notice that the derivative of x to the fourth is 4x to the third, and we have an x to the third sitting up top. So that's our clue that a substitution that may help with this integral is to let u equal x to the fourth plus 9. If we do that, this will just be square root of u in the bottom, but we got to take care of the dx and the limits. Let's go ahead and do that now. So once you choose a substitution here, next thing is you calculate du. That's going to equal 4x to the third dx, because du dx would be 4x to the third. Remember, the derivative of a constant is 0. Then we take care of the limits. If x is equal to minus 1, then u is equal to 10. I'm getting that by, all right, x is minus 1. I'm putting that value here. To the fourth is plus 1, plus 9, there's the 10. And if x is 0, then u is equal to, when you put a 0 here, we get 9 out. So what we're going to do is rewrite our integral. Integral 10 to 9. And I'm going to go ahead for a moment and just write x to the third over square root u times dx. Now, there's a couple things I can do here. I'm going to do it this way. If we solve this for dx, we get du over 4x to the third. So I'm just going to take that and sub it here for my dx. Du over 4x to the third. And you'll notice that the x to the thirds now divide out. So what we're left with now is the integral 10 to 9. Let's see, with a 1/4 in front, 1 over root u du. What we could have also done is, you notice that our du is 4x to the third dx. I could have came up here and just went like this, 4 and 1/4. This is effectively 1. This is now equal to my du, and that would have taken care of it too. Either way is fine. Right? So now, let's see, 1/4. Now this is u to the minus 1/2. That's going to integrate to u to the positive 1/2 and times 2 over 1. That's the divide by your new power part. And then evaluate 10 to 9. So let's see, this is going to equal 1/2. That's coming from 2 over 4 times square root of 9 minus square root of 10. And, suffice to say, this is some decimal. Now, I took a look at this, and I was kind of glancing this over as I was writing it out. Root 10 is bigger than root 9, so this product is negative. Now, don't let that bother you necessarily. Let's just take a little glance here. Notice that this function here on the interval minus 1 to 0, x to the third is negative. So the function value has negative, the function has negative values everywhere in this region, which is why that integral came out negative. So just thought I would point that out. Just because you get a negative answer for an integral does not mean that it's necessarily wrong. Hope this video helps demonstrate how to do these substitutions. Have a great day.